the last passage rather. So here we are speaking about, see, the author speaks about how certain birds, right, they display skills, right, with skills which are like the use of machines modifying things and using them to their advantage. These birds sometimes they do it in the wild, some of them do it in the captivity also, right. Now that way, because of this, people start thinking that acha, we should probably make some kind of a list of zoological IQ tests with humans at the top to establish the hierarchy with humans at the top. The author says in evolution it does not work like this, because each animal is basically assigned a certain path, right. Each animal is actually supposed to have a certain specialty. Evolution is all about increasing the chances of reproduction and survival of that particular animal which fits the requirements. So in short, what we consider human intelligence to be the best is unique to us, but it is not the best in terms of hierarchy, right. So therefore, a bird which has a certain skill, a mammal which has a certain skill, it is suitable to its own field, so there should be no hierarchy as such, right. So that is what is the whole aim of the passage, right. So that way, what we should actually do is, rather than, so it is interesting, it would be better to recognize the cognition, right, and to research how the birds, or the birds which behave like humans, right, rather than trying to provide a hierarchy, it is better to study how they could evolve similar traits to us, rather than trying to find a copy for ourselves in the animal world. So this is the passage. Let's see. Right. Humans have goals, but evolution doesn't. Right. To understand this, let's read the part also. By the way, I hope all of you understand in what context was it spoke. It was written. Let's see. This is the line. Right. And if you remember, in this part of the passage, he was speaking about how we should not make a hierarchy, we should not design a test, and we should not think of maintaining a hierarchy, because evolution actually does not work like that. Evolution, the aim of evolution is basically what? The aim of evolution is basically to produce and to reproduce and to survive. So the aim of evolution is this, is nothing else but to reproduce and to survive. Now, humans, let's place it in this context and see. When I say humans have goals, right, uh, it means humans focus advancement. The first part of D is perfectly fine, right? That is what we mean by goal. We have a certain target to achieve. But evolution, the aim of evolution is different from what humans want to achieve. And option D tells us what evolution wants to achieve. So this is basically the best answer, right? Look at C, what is wrong with it. While human beings have specific aims to improve massively in their lives, first part I will still agree with it. Evolution operates by infinitesimal changes. What it basically means is evolution operates by small, minute changes. This part is not the aim, but basically how evolution works. It's not the aim of evolution, but how it works rather. Right. Now, option B, humans worry about hierarchies in living organisms. This is not the goal. In fact, it is again a feature. Evolution does not, very, very blunt, does not tell us about what evolution's objective is actually. So, D is a better answer. Option A, if human beings progress through life in a systematic manner. Progressing through life in a systematic manner is not having a goal. Having a goal basically means you want to achieve something. How do you progress? Do you progress, do you reach that particular goal in a systematic manner or haphazardly? Is something which does not mean, it has nothing to do with having a goal. Probably it has got to do with, having a goal, but it is not the same as that.